In my previous video, you saw me tear down a Siel DK80. Today I'm going to replace the lithium coin battery. Be sure to back up your patches to the cartridge before proceeding. Here's the battery over here. What the heck is going on with that? The battery is wearing a hat. That's the positive terminal. When the three prongs get desoldered and removed, we see the battery is just sitting there. It sits on the negative terminal jumpers. Those negative jumpers could use a little cleanup. With a new battery in place, just resolder the positive terminal back on. This thing in the middle is like a spring, so it will be necessary to solder all three pins first. Then apply pressure to this point while soldering it in, so the positive terminal makes good contact with the battery. When the synth is rebooted, it says 51 and a dot. The patch sounds like crap. No worries, it just means the program in temporary memory is garbled. As soon as you select different factory programs, they will be there.